Can ICE provoke or escalate a situation? Well, according to Stephen Miller, ICE has, quote, federal immunity in the conduct of their duties, and no city official, state official, illegal alien, or leftist agitator, or domestic insurrectionist can prevent them from fulfilling their legal obligations and duties. That is a powerful statement. I mean, it's not correct, but it really sounds strong. You don't even need to look at the court cases for this. The official DHS use of force policy updated in 2023, page 3, article 3, section C, use of safe tactics, explicitly states DHS officers should seek to employ tactics and techniques that effectively bring an incident under control while promoting the safety of officers and the public that minimizes the risk of unintended injury or serious property damage. DHS should also avoid intentionally and unreasonably placing themselves in positions in which they have no alternative to using deadly force, like stepping in front of a car. Further down, section H asserts that the use of excessive force is unlawful and will not be tolerated. Those who engage in such misconduct and those who fail to report such misconduct will be subject to applicable administrative and criminal penalties. That same article goes on to say that failure to intervene in and report such violations is itself misconduct that may result in disciplinary action, with potential consequences including removal from federal service, civil liability, and/or criminal prosecution. Also, according to Now This News and Pod Save America, DHS released an internal memo to ICE agents here in Minneapolis this week reminding them that it is not a crime for protesters and citizens to do a variety of things, including swearing at them, calling them names, belittling their character, flipping off ICE agents, yelling at ICE agents, filming ICE agents, refusal to cooperate with ICE agents' demands, and disobeying commands without fighting back. This is their policy, straight from the horse's mouth. Now let's talk about Renee Good. Page 6, Article 5, Section A states that except in the limited circumstances, officers are prohibited from discharging firearms solely as a warning or signal or to disable moving vehicles, vessels, aircraft, or other conveyances. The exceptions are only for maritime aviation and Secret Service, by the way. Just a bit down in Article 4, use of deadly force. Officers may use deadly force only when necessary. That is, when there's a reasonable belief that the subject of such force poses an imminent threat of death or serious bodily injury to the officer or another person. So how would executing the driver of a moving vehicle in any circumstance fix the threat of being run over? I'd argue, seriously, that killing the driver places all agents and community in extreme danger because now you have an uncontrolled speeding vehicle. There's no reasonable situation in which killing a driver prevents Ross from being run over, nor would killing the driver protect the public or other agents. And I don't care what Kristi Noem or Stephen Miller says, this basically comes from DHS proper.